This Igbo young billionaire just opened a massive mansion in his village in Ohofia. Welcome to the London Villa, a pride of Ohofia in Abia State, Nigeria. This is not just your regular type of mansion, this is a masterpiece. It belongs to Mr. Joe Carlo, a son of the soil who decided to bring taste, luxury and class to his hometown in his village. This state-of-the-art mansion is reportedly worth over 2 billion naira. The luxurious mansion is sitting on a whopping 20 plus of land. The London Villa is not just a house, it's a statement of luxury, class and taste. This mansion has 2 entrances, a massive football pitch, a garden, and that isn't enough. It has a mini zoo with exotic animals like ostriches, tortoise, crocodile, and rare birds like parrots, giving the home a blend of luxury and adventure. At the center of this estate sits a mini airplane, not flying, but as a boat design of luxury and class. Inside this edifice has 10 sitting rooms, 9 bedrooms, and each bedroom has its own sitting room. The interior screams luxury with royal themed and exotic Turkish chairs. This mansion comes alive with special fixtures like a cinema room, a gym house, a home office, a conference hall, a rooftop space for relaxation. This isn't just a mansion, it's a symbol of the Igbo saying Akorono, a reminder that no matter where success takes you, you can always bring greatness back home. Welcome to the exotic mansion of Mr. Joe Carlo, the London Villa, a 2 billion naira wonder of Ohofia.